Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can change your location on Netflix. This is really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So there's no actual setting in Netflix in order to change your location or region or whatever. So in order to do it, we are going to have to download a VPN. Now, if you want better quality, you could get a paid VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN or whatever, which are great. But you can also use a free one with the disadvantage that you might encounter slower download speeds and whatever. So I already have a free VPN in my computer. I have Tiger VPN. So what I'm going to do is just open it up and connect to another location. Basically, if you change your location, you should be able to unlock some shows that might not be available in your country. So I'm going to pause in order to open up my VPN. I've got my free VPN right here, so I'm just going to quick connect. And after I've done that, I'm just going to restart my Netflix. As you can see, connected. Now I'm going to close out Netflix. Just open it back up. And I'm back on Netflix. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. This is how you can change your Netflix location. Unfortunately, there's no actual setting in Netflix in order to do it. You just have to get a VPN. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.